you can connect to God, even while you sleeping, right? That's when you really want to be out on the earth. When you really want to be connected all day as much as possible. But especially at night, in order for you to be able to store the signals that you've been getting during the day, like right now, the sun is out. You may be outside right now, but you're not aware that you're getting information. The sunlight, the light is light code. This information that you're receiving from the source. You're being given software updates for the universe. And then it's called uploading, like Chief T does. During the day, your body is uploading. Your computer is uploading during the day. At nighttime, when you go to sleep, your body does what they call download. Your computer begins to download the information that you store it during the day. But in order for you to properly download that information, you got to be connected to your source. The earth is a different form of the sun. The sun is the universe. The earth is a different form of the universe. So when you connect to the earth and you outside and you getting moonlight, moonlight is essential too. That's what we got to understand, that's what we not getting inside. That's what we're not getting inside. We're not getting any moonlight. Natural lighting is good for you, especially at night when you're going through your circadian rhythm cycle and you're trying to produce melatonin. It needs to be completely dark around you.